We're back. So we are going to now teach you lesson 20, session 3, measuring in inches and centimeters. Because we're actually going to be using a ruler a lot today, we are going to record it in a slightly different way, so you're actually not going to see us the whole time. But that's okay. We will be flexible and we will do our very best to make sure that you're learning what you need to know.
And we thought we better start today because, all that snow's coming on Thursday.
I know. So if you notice we're wearing the same clothes, it's because we don't know if we're going to be able to make it to school. So we're just going to record a couple of videos all today and get that part over with so that if we have to hunker down with our families, we'll be able to. Okay, so here's what our paper looks like today. Here's Mrs. Walker. She's going to be my student. She's going to be writing it for me. So Mrs. Walker, please read the example problem for me.
So it says, what is the length of the pretzel? It's making me hungry. You can use a ruler. So remember, from what Mrs. Kraft has told us before, we always start at the 0 and go to the end. We make sure we have that even. So if I look at my pretzel, it looks like it is 3.
Ooh, wait. How did you know it was inches, Mrs. Walker?
Well, I didn't until I looked right here on the ruler that said inches.
So she did a great job having a label, but she also made sure that her label was the correct unit of measurement by looking at the ruler that was labeled inches. All right. So if we apply this concept to some other problems, number 1 says, Shannon uses 1-inch tiles to measure the pretzel in the example. How many tiles will she need to measure the pretzel? Explain how you know. What do you think, Mrs. Walker?
Well, I think because the tiles are 1 inch, that means they're the same as what the ruler told us. So because the ruler up here needed 3 inches, that means that I need 3 1-inch tiles.
Oh, I love how you did that explanation. I would agree. I would say that you need 3 tiles, and each tile has a length of 1 inch. So 3 tiles will be 3 inches long, which is the same length as 3 inches marked on a ruler.
Right.
Perfect. All right, flip that over like a pancake. So number 2 says, Bobby is making his own centimeter ruler. He marks centimeters on a piece of paper. Fill in the blanks to finish making the ruler. Oh, so the tricky thing here, and this little guy is helping us out, he says, what should the first number on the ruler be? Well, let's take a look at a real-life ruler really quick because I think we always want to start counting with 1, right? But, look, here's a centimeter ruler. What is the first number that centimeter ruler starts on? What
0.
do you say? 0. So what's the first number you're going to write over here?
0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Perfect. Now, how long is the ruler you just made?
Looks like 9. Oh, I had to look. I about said inches, but I'm in centimeters, so I did 9.
Oh, no.
Centimeters.
I would say the marker is 9 centimeters.
Oh, true.
How long is the ruler? We have to read carefully.
We do. And so I will erase. And the whole ruler has to go clear to here, so I would say 10 centimeters.
Perfect. Now, you were jumping ahead.
I
How
did
long
jump
is the
ahead.
marker?
Now it's 9 centimeters.
And how did you know that again? It starts at what?
Starts at 0 and where it ends.
At 9. Perfect. Okay, so now we need to use a real ruler to measure the length of this leaf. What unit of measurement does it want us to use?
Centimeters.
Centimeters. Ooh, I love how you underline that. So where are you gonna, look at how she's using that line in the middle to kind of help her. Because this isn't perfectly straight, is it? Just have to do our best job.
Right.
So she's lining it up exactly at the 0 all the way to the tip of the leaf, which ends right about what?
The 8.
The 8. Is that a choice?
It is.
Ooh, perfect. 8 centimeters. Now, Tony chose D as the correct answer. How did Tony get her answer?
So I think she did exactly what we did. She placed it right on 0 at the very end, and she went to the very tip of the leaf, which is a little over 8, but not much. It's pretty close. And she got 8 centimeters.
Perfect. So if we were going to write this answer down, we're just going to write down the words that Mrs. Walker used. Her name is Tawny. So we would say Tawny placed the ruler showing centimeters under the leaf.
Mrs. Walker has to spell correctly.
Did she start at 0?
Yes.
Okay, so I think we need to put that for sure. She started at the 0 mark. And ended at the tip of the leaf. Perfect. That's all for today's lesson. So if you guys take a look at the assignment for today, it will be page 509, 510 in your math lessons. You are just going to do what we did today. You're going to practice measuring in inches and centimeters. You're going to think about what those numbers on the ruler really mean, where you start. All of those things. Don't let those units of measurement trip you up. All right, that's it for now. We're going to say goodbye.
Goodbye.